a few times in his life. Would you say
that's the packet? That's the one.
Oh yes.
That's the brand.
Yours.
Yep, that's the one Auntie Lai uses.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was saying.
I'll do it.
Okay. I'm telling you, one packet is not enough.
It's really good.
If you're making it.
And then people can eat it. Okay. You pour out the stuff for your sisters. Yeah, I'll help you.
Yum. Okay.
A lot of comments.
So I brought this to use, but I also brought it to give it to you. This is a brand new one. Ta-da!
Wow, thank you. Dude, you're always hooking me up with all the... You give me nicer things than I even buy myself.
Isn't that
Honey,
sick?
look what Matt just gave me.
What?
So I'm gonna make a little Brussels sprout dish. Judy was mentioning, you were mentioning you wanted like a miso beni.
Yes.
And I didn't really feel like making a beni right now, so I'm gonna make
well, then
Brussels.
why ask? Yeah, why ask?
We're gonna deep fry these today. Look how huge these are. Massive.
So what's the name of the dish?
No name, just frying Brussels sprouts.
Matt's Brussels.
Do you like to regrow these?
I've
Like
been
in a
trying it for the first time.
Where?
Right there in the corner.
Oh shoot, okay.
Yeah, I guess take out the other one. Those guys don't have roots, so maybe there's no points.
Yeah, whatever.
This guy. Go ahead and make
Oh,
it
I
in.
see. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It works great. I still have some from like months ago.
Really?
On my window.
And you use them every day?
Yeah.
Matt, do you listen to music while you cook?
Why, do you want to put Taylor Swift on?
No, because you'll get demonetized.
From Taylor? Oh, really?
Any music.
You know, they've done a better job though. Here.
Sick. Right.
What do you think about my spice drawer? Is this like a hot mess? Here's right here. Crushed red pepper.
It's better than mine currently. Like Korean?
I do have Korean. I have to go grab it for you.
I mean, I could just grab whatever in here. All right. Oh wait, what's this? I'll use this.
Okay.
This looks
Togarashi.
Togarashi, yeah.
There you go. That works.
All right, so little miso butter situation, soy sauce, mirin. I got a towel. Turn you off. Put you over here.
So fun fact.
That's a fun bottle.
Fun fact. One of my favorite accessories, Matt, that I learned from you.
Gloves?
Gloves.
I know.
A food grade.
Well, it's mostly because when you're filming and you have to like touch the camera so much. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Try that.
Okay, well, I can't stick my finger in there like you, but
Yeah, you can. No, you're good.
See, Matt's burned off all the fillings off the end.
It's not that hot. Come on.
Yeah. Mmm. Wow.
That'll be good.
That's bomb.
And then you want to start. We don't need that much, but like
want me to
start de-seeding some umeboshi with your gloves, since you already got the gloves on. Which camera are we looking at here?
Oh, any camera.
That one in the middle?
That one would be.
This is.
This is. You know, it's funny. I've never actually done this before.
You never done
I've
this?
eaten it. You know, just eat it with rice.
Yeah.
I've never taken the seed out to cook with it, but it's such
delicious.
a good ingredient. Do you
I
want all
love the
these?
stuff. Maybe like 3 more.
Okay.
Are you going? Okay. This is our sauce. Turn around. That's our sauce. Yeah, it looks good. One of what?
One of these.
Oh. Yeah, even better. Fried so many damn Brussels, dude. We used to also do a General Tso Brussels dish. That was so good.
Well, I can grab it. You know what I think would be a good task for her is when we're done, she just sprinkles stuff on.
Yeah, the rice.
There we go.
Do
you need any more of this?
No, I think that'll be plenty.
Are you sure? Okay. We go mobile with this.
Thank you, chef. Good job.
All right, so all right, look at this. This was her task.
Only the tomatoes.
All right, so
put
now
inside.
Matt
Oh,
Good job.
is putting all the.
Matt is
Brussels
making a
sprouts.
mess.
Yeah, it's all good. That's what kitchens are for, right?
No.
No, to make a mess. Okay, so what's that? Okay, cool. Well, eventually we're gonna have a.
That's really good. That'll work. It's good late night food, I guess. Sprinkle on top. Can you do that? Oh my gosh. Good job. Good job, look at that.
Matt, what is this dish that you have?
We've got fried Brussels. They're fried in the beef tallow. And then I made a little miso sauce. Sugar beet apples.
Does it smell good?
It does smell good. And then scallions. And then we got chef here putting the puffed forbidden rice.
Wow.
Good
that's
job.
Beautiful.
High five. There we go. All right, here you go.
Thank you.
So you're not missing out. There it is. That's it.
Wow.
Grab a fork.
Okay, that's probably
I
better.
hope you recorded every step because
Kind of, very loosely.
wow.
I mean, they saw it live, I think, but I didn't explain it. Maybe we should do a video on it.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
It's literally
Works?
the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had.
Oh, what? No way.
You guys need to try it. And the rice gives it that crunch.
Yeah, puffy rice, fried
favorite part,
Brussels,
though.
miso.
Well, I like the
Glad you
texture
like
of
it.
it.
Oh, it's
I
so
love it.
delicious.
I love
Yes, yummy. Miyako, try this, baby.
the miso soy sauce glaze that you made. See, I would never think to add apple to this.
Oh, it's good.
It's